Okay. First time using my Osmo Nano with my microphone. Using my Osmo Nano, got my DJI mic right here. And we're going to check out and snow blow the driveway. I got about 5 inches of snow overnight. And I'm going to use my snowblower. Here's my old school snowblower. It is a Roper Model 8-26. Roper, 26-inch, made in Canada. Heavy duty thing. It's probably as old as I am. Look at that thing, how much wear and tear it has on it. I see some leaves in there. Of course, you never ever stick your fingers or your hands down into the blades. I've known 2 people who've gotten fingers cut off from snowblowers, and I don't want to be the third. So old school here, and let's get going. I have this thing here. Uh-oh. Turn that on. Turn that on. And then turn that on. Oops. That's my safety stick that I can use to clean out the chute if it gets stuck. So I don't want to stick my fingers in there. Prime this a few times. And let's get cracking. See how this thing works. Plug in my thingamabobber here. Look at that. Do I have this in run or not? I don't know. No, I think that's run. Now the question is, do I have my choke set right? Starts the blades here. That's what makes it go forward. And that, my friends, is how I snow blow the driveway. So, give me a good chance to test out my DJI Osmo, or Nano, I should say, and my little microphone here. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe.